Happy Saturday, YouTube. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. This past week was amazing for us at Herrera Insurance Marketing. We hired 8 new people to work at Senior Life. We hired a new senior recruiter that's a superstar. And we have a total of 813, let me take that back, 814 students, because we just got an enrollment about an hour ago, taking their courses to start their journey selling final expense. Think about that. 814 students that have never sold insurance before, and they're on the path that you and me took maybe, for some a year ago, for me 20 years ago. That is amazing. And I'm really excited about that, because one of the things about when you're hiring agents that I've discovered over the years is that it's a process. From the time you recruit them, you got to take that time to interview them. Then you get them contract. Sometimes for other carriers, they could take a couple weeks before you see an agent number. And then finally, they're able to go to work. That can be challenging, because in most cases, again, in my experience, when I would hire somebody, most people would end up quitting because they couldn't get their appointments soon enough. They couldn't afford the leads. And I could go on and on. So what has me really excited about Senior Life, and I'm really grateful about it, because sometimes, guys, we take for granted the little things. And I've been a punk in that myself. I've done that. But with Senior Life, let me tell you this, and I'm sure there's a handful of other companies out there, but we're talking about Senior Life TELESALES. When I hire an agent, for example, this week I hired 8. Within 24 hours, I had an agent number. Within 3 days max, I had the agent trained. And within the same week that I contracted these agents, they're getting ready to start selling insurance next week. Some will start on Monday, others will start midweek. But think of how badass that is compared to having to tell your agent, "Oh, Johnny, we're still waiting on the carrier. It might take another week." Or, "Oh, Maria, I called into the contracting department and they told me that they're backed up." As an agency owner, that kills it for us. And there's really nothing we can do. And what happens in most cases, agents get frustrated. Some end up leaving, all because of the timing. And I understand. I totally understand. People need to make money now. They need to get active now. And if a month out, they're still, in 1 or 2 of the processes, it's a buzzkill. So if you're a builder and you understand what I'm talking about, consider Senior Life. Their streamlined process to contract agents, their telesales process is probably the best in the country, honestly. It's totally designed for a telesales person like me and you. And what do I mean by that? You simply go online, fill out everything, and at the end you take a recording, you submit it, all on their dashboard. It doesn't require you to invest in other fancy stuff, computers or any of that. Simple. We provide also a CRM. This comes when you join our team. Now that CRM is huge, because unfortunately a lot of the people that are joining our team don't have any of this. So they're handling the phones through a cell phone or through their landline. By having a CRM, you log into your website at TrackDrive, You have, everything you need to start working and making money. Now, is our system perfect? No. Like anything, there's tech issues. And like I tell every single one of our agents that we've hired, I ask them for a little grace, because we don't know what's on your computer. It's different if you were to work in an office environment, right, where we have a full-time tech that can handle any tech issues. But when you're working from home, we don't know what's on your computer. For all we know, you might have 100 viruses on there that's affecting your tech, and it's affecting your productivity. We understand that, but we ask that you show us some grace and understand that too. Sometimes it could take 2-3 days to get to some of these tech issues. And I'm just throwing it out there up front because that is a fact. I have yet to see a CRM system that has 0 tech issues. But with our CRM, it will allow you to receive calls, schedule callbacks. You'll have a script in the CRM. You'll be able to make outbound dials. So it covers all the aspects of our telesales. Plus, you're able to send emails, and you can do third-party interviews if you need to. If you need to call a pharmacy or whatever, you can do that. No cost to the agent. The agent only pays for their leads, only pays to get appointed with Senior Life, because yes, you do got to pay the appointment fees. But hey, it's the cost of doing business. So if you guys are watching this, if you're an agency builder and you're struggling right now, give me a call. I would love to show you how Senior Life's process works, from hiring to submitting application. But more importantly, I want to show you our lead system. Right now, my company, Herrera Insurance Marketing, partnered with Advanced Grow. We are generating thousands of customer-initiated final expense inbounds. It's the hottest lead in the market, period. So when you join our team, you're going to be taking inbounds. We're not going to have you dialing like we used to in the past. You're not going to be taking a live transfer. We are working inbounds only. And another reason why we're doing it, because the quality's through the roof. So if you're a killer on the phone, you're going to kill it. But more importantly, the compliance. Because it's an inbound, we're not worrying about compliance because the customer initiated that call. So I could go on and on and on about the quality of the lead. I would invite you to come and see what we do. Check out some of my other videos where I showcase our lead quality. It will blow your brains. If you've never worked an inbound lead before, maybe you need to call me. If you're struggling with your sales, call me. If you're sick and tired of dialing, chasing people, knocking on doors, call me. The days, of working garbage leads, those days are over, ladies and gentlemen. Final expense inbounds. Final expense inbounds is where it's at. Give me a call. So with that said, you guys have a great weekend. See you guys at the top. Peace.